Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huxhor, and yes, people, the weekend is here, trying to get you ready. I got another nice freebie for you all to check out. Just trying to get you ready. I don't know what you guys got planned. I'm just trying to cover all bases. So yes, this freebie is off the charts just as well. Now, the developer that got down on this one goes by the name of Watch Design, and this guy is making his mark early in the game, and he's doing a really good job. Now, the name of this watch face is called Carbon Analog Modern. It's a nice look. I like the theme of it. Even in the AOD mode for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2, you're gonna get a nice analog look. But when the watch face is on, I do like this carbon theme that's in the background. Very unique, very nice. And to a degree, it should be an energy saving watch face as well, especially considering this black background. And up at the top, what you're gonna get, people, is gonna be your step status info. And over here, you're gonna get the days of the week. Over here, you're gonna get your date. And down at the bottom, you are gonna get your battery percentage. And you get a nice second hand that kind of glows ticking around the bezel of the watch. And I do like the design and the style of the hands. Looks really nice. Tries to give it an elegant taste, right? Considering that, for the most part, this is gonna be your super casual dress-up watch face. Now, you also can customize the color of this watch face just by double tap. Just double tap anywhere, and you can go through many different colors that this watch face has to offer. Depending on what you're wearing or depending on what your favorite color is, you'll be able to cycle through many different nice colors to change to. The developer did a great job, people. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.